Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Google Chrome browser is exposed to a safe browsing vulnerability, it means malicious websites or bad extensions could potentially exploit memory flaws to compromise your personal data. I will show you exactly how to patch this exploit and secure your system right now. Let's get started. First, the most critical step in fixing any active zero-day vulnerability in Google Chrome is to force the browser to install its latest security patch. By default, Chrome updates in the background, but you can manually trigger an immediate update to ensure you have the newest bug fixes. Open your Google Chrome browser. Click the main address bar at the very top of your screen and carefully type or paste this exact internal shortcut: Chrome://settings/help. Press Enter, and Chrome will automatically check its servers for new security patches and begin downloading them. Once the download reaches 100%, click the Relaunch button to restart the browser and permanently apply the critical vulnerability fix to your core system files. Next, you need to upgrade your browser's baseline security by switching from Standard to Enhanced Safe Browsing, which proactively protects against malicious extensions and dangerous websites in real time. Click your address bar once again, clear out the previous text entirely, and enter this exact path: Chrome://settings/security. Hit Enter to jump directly to the Safe Browsing menu. Look for the option labeled Enhanced Protection and click the radio button to turn it completely on. This feature utilizes Google's real-time artificial intelligence to block newly created phishing domains and cross-checks every file you attempt to download, ensuring the vulnerability cannot be exploited by an automated web script. Finally, you should scan your current browser environment to ensure no harmful software or data breaches have already taken advantage of the vulnerability before you update it. Go back to your Chrome address bar one last time, clear it out, and type in this exact command: Chrome://settings/safetyCheck. Press Enter and click the Check Now button. Chrome will instantly analyze your saved passwords to see if they were exposed in a breach, review your installed extensions for known malware, and verify your update status. If any malicious extensions are detected, Chrome will flag them for immediate removal, fully securing your local network and personal data from further attacks. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.